From affiliate marketplaces to powerful tools and platforms, these 4 websites have revolutionized my personal strategy of money making. I'll be walking you through each one, explaining how they work, and revealing the incredible benefits they offer. Welcome back to Cash Collect. In this video, I'm going to share my top 4 websites that have helped me achieve a consistent $500 per day income. Yes, you heard that right. Get ready to take control of your income and discover the possibilities that await you. Number 1. Impact.com. The first is Impact.com, an online marketplace for affiliate marketers. Sign up now and gain access to hundreds of companies offering affiliate links. You get paid a commission every time someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase. I'm currently checking my dashboard and see that I have a total outstanding debt of about £9,000, about $10,000. I expect to get this sum in my PayPal account within the following several weeks. Many advantages can be gained through utilizing Impact.com. You can join any number of different companies, including some household ones that you have undoubtedly already used. This is not all though. Businesses will seek out you after you gain traction and begin to succeed because they saw your profile on Impact. If you want to become a partner with them, you can do it immediately instead of going through the standard application process. Just below the fold is a section titled Brands Waiting to Partner with You. By selecting View All, I am able to look over all of the possible partners for my promotion efforts. To my right is a list of links that, when clicked, will take me to each company's payout details, where I may read over their policies. Number 2. Partnerstack.com. After that, I move on to Partnerstack.com, another site that helps me earn £300 to £500 daily. The site functions as an affiliate marketplace, making comparisons to Impact.com appropriate. The key distinction though is that Partnerstack.com is tailored specifically towards software and other digital goods. You may get your affiliate link and start making commissions by applying to one of these programs. Partnerstack is great because it allows me to establish an affiliate marketing business by promoting digital products rather than physical ones, which is something I really appreciate. The reason for this is the greater commission rates that can be earned compared to other similar platforms, such as Amazon Associates. When it comes to software, Partnerstack's primary focus is on advertising. Since the software is often used on a monthly basis by clients, affiliate marketing for software can provide you with the possibility to make recurring commissions, such as Endeavor has the potential to generate substantial passive income. Before applying to advertise a company's products though, it's important to think about their unique requirements. During the first year of a subscription, one company may pay a 20% fee while another may pay a 15% commission. Another option might provide a 30% ongoing commission on all sales. I want to stress the importance of reading the fine print before signing up for any affiliate network and devoting your time and energy to advertising a product or service for which the commission rate may be much different. Consider the software's popularity in addition to the commission rates while making a decision on which apps to promote on Partnerstack. Your chances of making money increase in proportion to the software's popularity and the number of people looking for it online. Number 3. Google Trends. Here we are at Google Trends, the third website I will be talking about. Now, I assume you are familiar with Google Trends if you aren't already. For the several internet enterprises I'm responsible for, I rate it as among the top resources available. The Google Trend tool displays annual search volume data for a given keyword or phrase. Promotable products can be found with the help of Google Trends. As an illustration, let's revisit Partnerstack. An attractive 30% lifetime commission is offered by one of the mentioned businesses. However, we may see the results by copying the name of the program and visiting Google Trends, where we can then paste it. Since 2004, clearly, there hasn't been much interest in that particular search keyword anywhere in the world. Because of this, it's clear that we're wasting our time and resources trying to market this company. That said, I don't think it's worthwhile, even with the possibility of a 30% lifetime commission. But if we scroll down a little more, we'll see a different firm, and it's called Notion. As long as we bring in new customers within the first year, we can earn a 50% commission. Now, let's go back to Google Trends using the name we just copied and see what we can find out. It's night and day to the previous version. There hasn't been any interest in the firm since 2004, when it didn't even exist. Starting in 2019, however, a steadily increasing number of people have been trying to find it. Because of this, we can improve our financial prospects if we want to advertise it to our online audience. This is why I appreciate Google Trends. It gives me information that aids in decision making. Number 4. Clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is the next site I use frequently to make money, so let's get to it right now. I showed you 2 other shopping websites, but the things on this one are a little bit different. I can find things to help me with my weight, my hearing, my blood sugar, and my teeth if I select the top offers option. For example, products, both digital and tangible, can be found at clickbank.com. The simplicity with which one can imitate the achievements of others is a major benefit of using clickbank.com. This means you may duplicate the methods employed by top-performing affiliates and begin earning money for your efforts right away. Consider the current best deal on ClickBank as an illustration. When someone clicks on an affiliate link, the affiliate earns a commission of about $134 on average. Spying on people's YouTube advertisements can be one approach to learning more about how they are generating this income. People utilize YouTube ads to promote their affiliate connections and increase traffic to such links. To spy on YouTube commercials, I need only memorize the product's name and then visit the linked website. In this case, video advert. Logging into my account, I then select Search Ads and enter the product's name into the search window. I proceed to hit the search button. In a matter of seconds, the page presents me with a variety of adverts that may or may not be live at the moment. I can tell if an ad is still being shown by checking the last seen and published columns, which indicate when the ad was last seen and when it was first published. When I first get into a project, one of the first things I do is sort the views from highest to lowest. It's a great assistance in finding the most successful advertisement to imitate. Similar to the ad I'm about to click on, there are many more that have received millions of impressions. This advertisement has been viewed over 3.5 million times in the last 4 months, so I now know exactly how it appears. It's possible that the channel it was uploaded to doesn't regularly release new videos. To make money on sites like ClickBank, people typically upload advertising that can be copied and sold to others. It's easy to make an advertisement like this, in which the individual involved doesn't show up or provide any personal information. In its place, they employ the use of stock media to produce eye-catching commercials. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on 10 proven strategies to earn money. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.